So one of the things that I noticed right away when I got onto the peat and well flowage, because this is the first time I've been here, is just how many fish are truly in this system. And that can make it really tough when you're actually trying to find the active walleyes out here. There's so much, basically main channel area that you can look for these fish. River bends, nice sharp breaks along humps and timber. But what we've done is use side scan as we're graphing to try to find big pods of fish. And then when we find that, I'm cruising on these break lines and trying to find the right looking fish on active target. Now I'm not gonna lie, we've actually casted at a ton of different pods of fish that looked right to me, but we couldn't get them to bite. So we're actually just moving on as quickly as we can until we get 1 or 2 bites, even if it's little walleyes. Then once we get those active pods, we're setting up on them. We're actually sitting on spot lock and letting our jig sweep with the current down these channel edges. So a combination of side scan and active target, but definitely don't just sit on fish that aren't eating, because you're gonna find pods that do eat. And trust me, we've found that the little ones and the big ones are right together out here.